Hello from Waymo. This experience may feel futuristic, but the need to buckle up is the same as always. So keep your seatbelt fastened, please. Hi, Sharon. Hello from Waymo. As we get going, just give us 1 minute to cover a few riding tips. This experience may feel futuristic, but the need to buckle up is the same as always. So keep your seatbelt fastened, please. If you're traveling with little ones, Getting close. Don't let your belongings ride away. Grab your stuff now. For your safety, the doors will remain locked when we arrive. Pull the handle twice to exit. The first pull unlocks, the second opens the door. Heading to Getting close. Don't let your belongings ride away. Grab your stuff now. You're here. Please make sure it's clear before exiting.